The atrial fibrillation market is one of the few bright spots in medical devices. We have with us today Medtronic's director of their ablation division, Reggie Groves.
I'm Reggie Groves, Vice President and General Manager of Medtronic's AF Solutions business. I'm very excited to talk to you about Medtronic's move into the atrial fibrillation space. As you know, AF affects more than 7 million patients around the world. AF is a disease in which the upper chambers of the heart beat irregularly. That causes most patients to be symptomatic, which affects their quality of life, as well as leads to potentially very severe complications to their health status over their life. Broad portfolio of products to physicians so that they have choice of what technologies to use for which of their patients. The first technology we acquired is CryoCath. CryoCath has a breakthrough balloon which has cryo as its energy source, i.e. freezing as its energy source. And you might realize that when you have a vein that's entering the left atrium, the attractiveness of being able to take a balloon and pushing it up against that vein so that the ablation can occur all around the vein and isolate that vein in just a few short applications of cryo energy. On the Ablation Frontiers side, we're bringing RF technology and anatomical catheters that will be able to do both pulmonary vein isolation as well as treating the insides of the heart along the roof line or the wall or the septum. With the Ablation Frontiers technologies, they are radio frequency, i.e. heating energy sources for ablation with anatomically designed catheters that enable the physician to both map and do an ablation over a broader area of the surface of the heart. Ablation Frontiers, like CryoCath, is currently in its pivotal trial in the United States. The trial for Ablation Frontiers is targeted at persistent and permanent AF patients, and the trial uses all three catheters that the Ablation Frontiers company has designed. One called the PVAC is targeted for pulmonary vein isolation. The second one, called the MASK, is targeted for ablating the septum of the left atrium. And then the third is a MAC catheter, which is the catheter that's used to do the walls and the roofs and any lines in the surface of the heart. Well, the current AF ablation market is estimated to be less than 2% of the total population of patients. So there's 7 million patients in the world suffering from the disease. Less than 2% of them have access to ablation therapy today. Clearly, the potential to bring technologies to the market that will enable the broader base, that is the full 7 million patients, to be able to have access to the therapy represents a tremendous opportunity, both for those patients to get a cure, but as well for Medtronic to have a good business opportunity. The current forecasts are that this market should be $2 to $3 billion in the next 5 years, and Medtronic expects to be the leader in the market at that time. We're very excited that Biosense Webster has gotten their approval. They are the first to market with approval in the AF ablation space. Certainly their approval indicates that the technology to do ablation is a good technology worthy of being in the marketplace, and Biosense Webster will set the stage for expanding physician use of ablation therapy. What we're excited about is we'll be right behind them, and we will be first to market with both a cryo energy source for paroxysmal patients as well as an RF energy source with these anatomical catheters for persistent and permanent patients.